In the wide oceans live loads of creatures. Let's dive into one of the reefs where most of the little fishies live here, including blowfish, clownfish, blue tang, and the famous great white all lives here. Come on, let's
Meet the
creatures.
Let's meet the creatures.
With the fish experts, let's meet the creatures. Meet the creatures. Let's meet the creatures. Let's meet the creatures. Let's meet the creatures with the fish experts. The fish experts. On a sunny day, Alex and Steve are going on a trip at the African Savannah. Beep, 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 beep. What's that sound? Maybe there's a helicopter or something. Alex, where's the penguin? Where's the penguin?
Bomb.
Oh, is it hot in here?
Well, not really. I got ice power.
Oh, that's great. I don't want to fight, so don't fight. Oh, African elephant is coming here. Ooh. Eat grass. I love to eat grass.
Actually, where are we? It looks like we're just a toy on the carpet.
We are in the African Savannah. Come on, let's explore this. Nature wonders. Oh, there's a zebra coming.
Wow, giant zebra! What a photo line!
Why is it so giant? Hello, I'm a not just any zebra. I'm a zebra from the
Universe.
No, I'm not from the universe. I'm going to destroy it! Wahaha! Because I'm from the, a zombie! Ah,
Hey, dude. Hey.
destroy him! Run! What's going on in here? Oh my gosh. Nothing. No worries. Find a way. What's going on in here?
Whereby?
Giant super attacks.
Wait, what's happening?
Haha. Ha, I'm going to destroy it. Where's the zombie? Where's the zombie? Here I am, flying here. Woo! Oh my gosh, the zombie's here again. I'm going back into my plane. Bye. Hello, plane. Where are you? Come out. Come out. Plane. Calling plane. Calling plane. Calling plane. What are you think you are doing? No more cheeks and chaps, man. You are a silly filler. Here's my plane. Here's my plane. I'm going to go back in my plane. Bye.
Hey, don't run away, man.
Yeah, don't run away, man. Catch him before it's too late.
Air Force.
Making beauty. Making beauty. Animals, go to the safety of the wild animal team. Wild animal
All
team.
right,
Immediately. Go to the wild animals team. Go to the wild animal team. Go to the wild animal team. Immediately. Go to the wild animal team. Except the Peggy Zebra thingy. Pull him out. He's a destroyer. Why you about to destroy my things? Silly me. No worries.
OSS animal. OSS.
SOS animal. Calling SOS. 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 Where's the helicopter? SOS. Animal rescue team is out. What's going on in here? Helicopter. I'm going to save the animals because I'm Mr. Ambulance. Animal SOS. Animal SOS. Animal SOS. Okay,
Hey guys,
well.
what's this? Marshmallow fluff?
Oh my gosh, marshmallows! Get away! Oh man, I'm stuck in the marshmallow! Help! Help!
The Hong Kong truck.
What Hong Kong trucks, silly man? No Hong Kong trucks are coming in here today.
You are.
Hello guys! Hello guys! I'm just going to put the railway here. But thank you! Thank you. Zombie, don't say thank you. That's not good. Finally, I can get out of this marshmallow thingy. No worries. I'm going to pull it out. Okay, no more marshmallow for one day. Where's my blue penguin? Are you at the wild animals team? Yes!
Yes. Right here.
Okay, thanks. Okay. We need to destroy this a bad thingy for nature.
Okay, I got just the thing.
Thank you, Air Force. What is
No
this?
problem.
This is not real. This is a fake one. Sorry. Bye-bye. No more making for one day. Bye-bye. We lose again. Ew. Bye-bye. Finally, we saved back the Earth. But only one thing, we need to clean the pollution. After a few months, where animals are allowed living free and in the wild, we've set up a research station for saving the animals from extinction and much more. And this is the security. Here. Mr. You can say Mr. Research or Captain or something. And you want to see the inside. Now I'm going to take you there. Look, there's a tiger doing exercise.
Actually, he's a lion.
Yes, I know. A lion doing exercise. And a truck is taking this tall giraffe back home.
Ouch.
Oh, no worries. I can walk back.
And here is a
Living
view
free and in the wild.